All right. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually go out there and start making money while you sleep. So what you're seeing on the screen right here, and I'm just going to lead off with proof just so you know that I'm shooting you straight, know what I'm talking about. And I'm going to show you the exact system that I use every single day in order to wake up with commissions like this in the morning. So you can actually see right over here, look at all these sales right over here. Look at the dates right here, how consistent it is, literally February 10th, 11th. And then look at when we come down here, a lot of these sales right here are multiple in the same day. So February 11th, we had 4 sales at $123 in that one day right there. And that was just one product, right? This other one right over here, we had 5 sales on February 11th for a different product that just cost $22, right? So we had a bundle here, $123, and that's the commission that we're taking home. So the actual total cost of that is $250, and we're taking home 50% of that commission. So we've got the bundle right there, then you got this regular product right there, another $22 commission right there. We made 5 sales on that, and then it just keeps going right over here. Look at February 11th, 11th, different product prices, and February 12th, 1, 2, 3, different product prices. There's again that bundle right there, and then it just keeps going, right? And then we even woke up to a different product over here, a Redify AI Infinity Bundle, and we made $133 on that one, right? We can go over here and take a look at this really cool AI overview that Gemini provides, which is basically you've received several commission payments from JBZoo recently, right? So the 133 right there, February 13th, 12th, 12th, 12, 11, 11, 11, blah, blah, blah. So it recaps all that. That's all the money that's just automatically coming in. And, I'm sleeping for 6, 7, 8 hours a day or a night. And when I wake up, I can look at my phone and actually look in my emails and see how many sales I actually made while I was sleeping. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to set this up, but I'm going to lead off with a little bit more proof. Here is just one of my Gmail accounts. I'm going to show you 3 Gmail accounts. We're right over here as well, another Gmail account. I've sorted this by new sales. I have a filter over here. And you can see that this is where my Warrior Plus account is, right? Look at all these affiliate commissions coming in, affiliate commissions, all these affiliate commissions coming in. And you can see over here, February 4th coming through all the way down right there. Very consistent. And then another one right over here. And this is, I'm not going to just teach you how to make money with JBZoo and Warrior Plus. I realize that a lot of people don't want to do that, but right here, this is just a product right here that I promoted that is just direct with a vendor. It's a software product, and that I'm making sales every single day, almost every single day right over here as well. Look how consistent that is. And when I click on like today, this is 6:33 a.m. right over here. I'm making this video on February 13th, 2026. We've made 2 sales today. If I click on that, look, and I'm making $50, right? $50 a sale right there. And then you can come over here. So this was literally 4 hours ago. And then 1 hour ago at 9:59 a.m., we made another sale, and I make $50 a sale. So just $100 just like that. And I'm going to show you how we actually do that. So if I come over here and we go into YouTube, and let's just say I type in right over here, I say Word Rocket. If I just type in Word Rocket, let's just see what happens with Word Rocket. Okay. So we are ranked #1. We got 2,200 views. I posted this video a month ago on one of my channels called LearnWire, Word Rocket Review, Best New AI Writer of 2026. I'm shocked. So we are ranked #1. People are clicking on this anytime they even type in the search term Word Rocket. My video is coming up #1. They're watching my video and they're going and purchasing the product, right? And it's made us thousands of dollars, by the way. We can come down here. This is the actual creator of the software, digital creator Audi, and I'm able to outrank even the software owner and creator for that term, right? So we can come down here. Let's see if we have another video right here. I tested Word Rocket's WordPress plugin. 300 views right there. So another video, and then look at right over here, I tested the new product around a feature in Word Rocket, another almost 400 views right there, another video, right? Pay attention to the depth that I'm going into on these videos. 23-minute walkthroughs, right? An 18-minute walkthrough, a 40-minute walkthrough right there with over 2,000 views. And then when we come down over here, you'll see top channels for this search term, and you'll see that we're ranked right at #2. We got Words at Scale and Digital Creator Avi. Good for him. He has made way more videos on his content on his own software than me. So rightfully so, they should be ranked #1, but we're ranked right #2 right there. We can keep coming down here and find more videos that I've created. Here's another one. I did Koala Writer AI versus Word Rocket right here. Got another almost 3,000 views. Look at that one right there. So, and then another couple of videos right over here. We got Word Rocket new features. I made an update video, 300 views, and then the sales started coming in again, right? So we can always refresh. And then once you like have a product that you really like, when they come out with new updates, then boom, it gives you a reason to make another video to announce that out to your audience. This is what real affiliate marketing looks like, where you actually take it serious as a real business, and you're not just going out there trying to, push magic buttons and do everything halfway and not put in the effort that's required to actually make thousands of dollars per month. And so that is what I actually teach inside of my YouTube affiliate accelerator program. This is loaded with probably 100 hours of content of everything that I've learned, making multi six figures, over $600,000 making money online with YouTube and free traffic, free organic traffic, and affiliate marketing, right? So just click the first link below, go and watch. I've got 2 videos I just uploaded. They're recent. I give you a full walkthrough and rundown of what to expect inside of the community. There's all kinds of classrooms, or there's all kinds of courses in here. I really take you by the hand and show you exactly how to get started with this. We've got a great, vibrant community right over here. We've got quick wins, and let me just show you one of the quick wins right over here that we just got from 2 hours ago. Brian Thomas, we'll click on this, and he just sold ebook writer AI, and he made some commissions on that right there as well. So we have plenty of people making money. You're also learning from somebody that knows how to actually top leaderboards. We'll click over here and just show you $1,000 in earnings, #1 ranked out of all these great marketers over here, and I got #1. So on a product launch from that just ended like yesterday or something like that. So you can go and check that out. So again, there's a lot of ways that you can do this, and this is just a software that I decided to go out and start creating content on, and I'm going to go over and show you what that looks like. There's another one. I just want to prove to you that this system actually works. So we made all that money with Promote, is the affiliate program, but this was Word Rocket, right? We've made thousands of dollars. I think it's like $3,600 or something like that, just for the one software that I've sold to my audience. It wasn't a big launch or anything like that. And then, so that just shows that worked because we've made so many videos about this, right? Well, then another thing, let's just go over here and just say Word Rocket AI review, and let's just see if we're still ranked. We're still ranked #1 right there. But let's go over here and do another one, Clickly. So if I just type in the product Clickly right here, we're going to come down here and we're going to look, and you can see that this one right here, Digital Marketing David, I'm ranked #1 as far as top channels and have the most authority on that product, right? So we can come down here, we can look, there's one of my videos right there on another channel, but you can see over here that, I mean, we are the top authority. There's us right here, Digital Marketing David. There's another one, Digital Marketing David right there. And we could just keep coming through. There I am again, Digital Marketing David. Look at Quickly Pricing. And so this is like how it's done, guys. You go and you pick a product and you go and create several pieces of content so you can build authority. And that actually made me money as well, because that, my authority with this actual key term, Clickly, or Clickly review, Clickly pricing, for example. If I type pricing, my video is going to show up at the top right over here, right? So we've gained authority because the system that I'm going to now break down for you actually works. I wanted to prove to you and lead off by example and proof that this actually works, and anybody can do it if you just put effort forward and actually have a game plan. You can actually be successful at this, right? So all these videos that I created on Clickly in order to gain the top authority on Clickly was a result of all these commissions right here. Look, all these, it's actually going to tell you, look, Clickly right there, Clickly, all those where I made like $3,500 from this in just 7 days. So I was averaging $500 a day selling this product. This is how it is done. So let me break this down for you. I've made a nice whiteboard for you, and we're going to go through this real quick if you're interested in learning how this is actually done. Okay, this is how I'm doing it. I believe that this is the unique. It's kind of like my own system that I've developed. I don't see anybody else doing this, and I've also proved that video is far more powerful in making affiliate sales during a launch than even email marketing, because a lot of the guys I'm going up against on that leaderboard have tens of thousands of buyers email lists that they're going out and emailing multiple times. And I was only emailing 1,300 of my subscribers during that time. I did make some money from the email marketing, but it wasn't the majority of the money that I made. It came from videos, and I tracked all this with tracking links, right? So video is extremely powerful. So this is a super simple method that people are not willing to put in the work, and that means that can be game changing for you. The light bulb should be going off for you right now, because people are not willing to learn this system and learn how to create simple screen recording tutorials, just unscripted, just talk into a microphone, be yourself, and just show people the product and be genuine about it. There's a huge advantage to doing this because people are not willing to learn the system and they're not willing to do it. So there's a huge advantage for you to get into this. Okay. So step one, you're going to pick a software, a course for a digital product, which I've kind of shown you 2 products that I did that for. One was WordRocket. We dominated that keyword as well. And when people type in WordRocket, WordRocket AI, WordRocket AI review, my videos are showing up and I'm ranking very high with authority, and I'm the top affiliate for that product as well. And so once you pick out a product, remember I picked out that other one on JVZoo. I picked that out. It was Clickly, and I went out and created a bunch of videos. I think it was 6 total videos I created, and we topped the leaderboard and made $3,500 from it. Okay. So it just flat out works. So then you're going to go, and once you find a product, right, you're going to join the affiliate program, right? And that depends, like if it's a one-off, if it's a software that they're managing their own affiliate program, then you're going to go and you're going to sign up for it. It could be on Rewardful, it could be on Promote, First Promoter, it could be on, there's all kinds of different affiliate programs that help manage the affiliate program. You're going to go sign up that way. Or if it's on Wire Plus or JVZoo, you're going to just click on the link. You're going to go over there and you're going to talk to the vendor, and it's being managed with one of those programs like Wire Plus or JVZoo, and you'll just go and get approved for that. So once you've picked out a product, then you've joined the affiliate program. It's time to get to work, right? So you're going to make a bunch of tutorial based content like I just showed you. You're going to make some simple videos. You're going to be strategic about it, right? And I've already shown you how to dominate YouTube for that product. I led off with proof. You already saw that it's possible to just go and pick out a product. It can be a brand new product. Both those were actually new products. And I went out there and just started making content. And it turned out each one of them made me $3,500 each product, right? And this is all recent. You saw the dates. You saw the money coming in. This is all recent. And this is just a super simple way to do affiliate marketing, because with affiliate marketing, right? I'm going to come over here to YouTube, right? And the reason why I choose YouTube is because if you're going to be successful online, it doesn't matter if you're doing e-commerce, you're doing websites, so you're doing SEO, you're doing, freelance work, you need traffic coming to your service or your product or affiliate product or your course or whatever you're selling online, right? You have to have traffic, and there's only 2 ways to get that traffic. There's paid and there's free. Right? And if you're a beginner, I would much rather you just try your hand at creating some videos. And the worst thing that can happen is that you didn't make any sales. You need to get better at your videos or something like that. But you're not losing money out of your pocket, out of your hard-earned money in your bank account, right? That you're taking care of your family with. You don't need to spend that money in order to go and test things. That's why I love free traffic, free organic traffic. And in my testing, I've tried paid advertising several times in the last 5 years after I've been doing this for full time for 5 years. And paid traffic has just never been worth it. I've never been able to make it profitable for myself. And I think that that's true for 90% of business owners that actually go out there and try pay. You have to be willing to either break even or even lose money with paid advertising in order to gain customers. It costs a lot of time and money to gain new customers, right? And so if you take my approach and you just need to create videos, all you're risking is your time and effort. You're not risking any money out of your pocket. Okay. So that's why I love this. You need traffic. Yes, you can go and do Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. But in my experience, and then also following people like Alex Hormozy, I also have a school community. Go and check that out. Go and join my school community. The price is going up to $47 soon. This is your chance to get in for just $27. So make sure to go and check that out. First link below. But when When you follow people that really know their stats, they're multi-millionaires, 7 and 8 figure earners per year, they also stay attuned to things. And when they run short form content, they're able to measure, and they're getting millions of views, and they're able to see that like less than 10% or less than 5% of their actual revenue that's coming into their business comes from short form content. Most of the money drivers, most of the revenue drivers in their businesses are coming from long form content. You could create a long form piece of content and get only hundreds of views and make thousands of dollars. Whereas with short form content, you could get tens of thousands of views on those pieces of content, and you could actually make zero sales, right? So long form tutorial education based content is where it's at, guys. This is the system that allows me to make money while I sleep. Right over here, I just proved it to you. I wake up and I check my emails and I see all of the sales coming in while I'm actually sleeping at night. So this is how it's really done. This is how you actually turn on a machine. You're not using paid advertising. You're just building a system that works. And if you're willing to put in the work and effort that others are not willing to do, that's what's going to create separation and success for you. So thanks again. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Who else is creating content like this where they actually prove systems that work? They actually show you multiple email accounts of making money while they sleep with this strategy with affiliate marketing and so forth, right? When I watch these Make Money Online videos and so-called gurus, they're just feeding you a new strategy every single day that you're going to go, and chances are I used to be in that same boat where I would go and try these kind of silly strategies out that actually don't work, when in reality, they're just making money off of the actual video, and you're actually going to end up just wasting your own time. So what I'm trying to teach you is what I exactly do, and I can show it to you and prove to you like I did in this video. That's where it's at. So thank you so much for your time. Link below. Be our next member in the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. Make 2026 the year that you finally took action and became a content creator and not a content consumer. You've got to stop consuming content and purchasing every product that's thrown at you. You've got to decide that it's your turn and your time to start creating content and taking more control over your life. Thanks for joining me.